Yeah, this is Mike with Mike's Accessories with the 2012 Arctic Cat 1000 Wildcat Skull Crusher Project. The nicest UTV ever built. Doing a video. We're at a White Knuckle event 2016, Brimstone Recreation, Huntsville, Tennessee. Satellite television. I just got the satellite television reprogrammed back in, and
Hey kid, why don't you tell Santa what you need?
Stretching the clothes, man. I don't need nothing.
Come on, hey kid,
That's
tell Santa
Rocky
what
V.
you want.
That ain't sad.
Do we ignorant creatures have to?
we definitely thank with the satellite television Winegard for the Pathway X1 satellite dish. Definitely for any of your satellite dish needs, RVs, campers, motorhomes, just anything you want to do custom with portable satellite television. Definitely get with Pathway or Winegard for the Pathway X1. We also thank Dish Network for partnering with us on the service.
Diamond, just getting the spirit going, you know, it's good, right?
Good for what? Come on, let's
I'm
go.
gonna set the camera right there for a minute and it'll still show the TV in the camera. There we go.
He doesn't want to.
Hey, Adrian, I know what he wants.
How do you know what I want?
Because I know you.
You know me? He thinks he knows me. Look, I ain't celebrating nothing, okay?
Hey, wait a minute, hey, yo, what's the matter with you? You know, we always done this before. We always had a good time, Adrian. You know, we don't have to change nothing ever. I mean, do you remember last year when we had fun, when we had a good time?
It ain't last year, and you ain't the same either.
What?
Yes. A lot of hours. And the parts, a lot of it was provided and everything. I was very, very thankful for the company's work with me on my vision. So, but all the work I done myself. All the fiberglassing, doors, seats, all that was done by me.
That is actually really cool.
Thank you.
Norman Bates does it. For his mother. Wonderful
Can't
pistachio.
drive it, can you?
Nope.
Get cracking.
No, it's no longer drivable besides in and out of the trailer. So,
Scott's Turf products that lead you see and lead you know with its weed grip technology and feature grass for a thicker blowing tube. New Scott's Turf with premium feed. Go to participating retailers for 10% off.
Unclear Digital? What's that for?
oh, this is one of the sponsors, or one of the companies that provide me a product and everything like that. Now, I'm actually Mike with Mike's Accessories. I got a little shop up next county up above here and everything. Our shop ain't only about 40 miles from here, so wish this place to do more events than the White Knuckle that they were doing in September and everything. But we're planning on going down. I don't know if you're familiar with a place called Windrock. Are you from this area? We're planning on, we partner with Windrock on some stuff too, and we're going to be showing there some of the Windrock shows too. So I wish Brimstone would do more, but
Yeah,
they only do 2 events. So I wish they'd do a little bit more, but maybe they will. Maybe next year. We're going to show it for 2 years. Maybe they'll get. Maybe I'll get one of my companies down here next year and everything. So this is the first show this product's been to, so it's like a debut show for it.
I
So
hope you do very good.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a wonderful
You too. Thank you.
Expedia. Technology that connects you to the people and places that matter.
If we do not unite, our perish.
down here in a little bit. Again, we thank on the Satellite Television Winegard for the Pathway X1 satellite dish, and partner with Dish Network on the service. Yeah, it's got a PlayStation 4.
What is this?
It's an Articat 1000 Wildcat.